Hello guys, as you know, we're living in the AI era, which means that there are tons of data sets out there that need to be analyzed. In particular, data scientists deal with tons of data, and repeating code for each one is a big waste of time. And that is where Python's for loops comes in. It automates repetitive analysis steps so that you can focus on insights and not typing. So let me show you a very simple example that highlights this idea of for loops. So this is a toy example that basically the task is to compute the average revenue by month of this fictitious company. Okay, so we have data associated to the month of January, February, and March, and we want to compute the average revenue. So this is the code that you will need to do that. So if we run this, so here we get the result. We got the corresponding average revenue for each of those months. Okay, so as you can see, the code runs without any errors, but also you see that we are repeating pretty much the same 2 lines of code 3 times. The only thing that is changing is the data file that is using. Okay, so instead of repeating ourselves multiple times, we can easily rewrite this with a for loop. Okay, so first we will need to define a list that contains the name of the data files that we want to read. So I'm gonna call it files, and then here I'm going to enter the name of the data files that I want to read. After that, I just need a for loop for file in files. So we read the data and then we compute the corresponding average. Now if we run this, so here are the results, which are exactly the same numbers that we see here. What is the advantage? Well, we are not repeating ourselves. We have a much cleaner version of the code, which make our code more efficient. And that's basically how data scientists stay efficient when it comes to writing code. Always remember, less typing is always better, especially when it comes to coding. That's all I have on this video. See you on the next one.